Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And this here is part 2 of the 1/18 scale Ford Excursion limousine by Sunstar. I did do a video to this a while back and it was on the white colored one, so this one's gonna be on this new one I got, this black colored one right here. Here you see it from the side and it looks really dope too, you know. Obviously with limos, you know, black is almost like you can say it's the standard color of limos, because really the white ones are mainly for like weddings and stuff like that, but the black ones is like that traditional limo color. So I had a good opportunity of getting one at a decent price and I go ahead and jumped on the opportunity. Here we're gonna take a look at the front, and you gotta love the lights and the grill, the lines. I mean, once again I'm gonna say and I'm gonna reiterate that this 1/18 scale Ford Excursion limousine is one of Sunstar's best models. One thing about the paint about the black one that I really like is that you know, it seemed like just, I don't know, it seemed more thicker and more durable. Like it feels like this paint is not as easy to chip. I'm pretty sure it's the same quality of paint. I mean, alright guys, here we're gonna take a look at the rims. You guys saw them on the white one on the last video, but still, whoever's just watching this one, got some nice chrome rims with the Ford, you know, logo on the center of the rims, you know, just all nice. Here we got the grill. Gotta love that grill, the way it glistens, just the intricacy of it. It's all made out of metal too. This is not like plastic painted on with chrome. This is basically all metal on that grill. You got that nice superb quality Ford logo right in the center. Really like that. Got the license plates at the bottom. Got that chrome on the bumper. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the motor. Right off the bat, you guys can see that we got that dual battery setup. That is expected to see on actual, you know, limousines in real life. So really glad that they did those type of details on this. Gotta love also like the little microscopic type of sticker there, the yellow and all that with the white letters. I mean, that just looks really detailed, and it's really tiny. I believe, like, you know, it's high definition, so it's readable, but like I said, super small. Might need a magnifying glass for that. And as far as the motor, like, it's just really nice. It's a lot of pieces going on to the motor. It's actually better than one might expect. Another thing that I liked about the black one is that the doggy hinges blend really nice with the black, so it doesn't look very odd as it actually did on the white one, which didn't look very great. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior. And really nice. The color is actually not the same on the black one that it is on the white one for the interior parts, and I actually really like that, because I thought it was gonna be the same, but it ain't. It's just slightly different. It's almost like on the white one the beige tones are a little bit lighter. Here you guys see the carpet. Gotta love the details in the dash dials, also in the way everything is painted. Gotta love the pedals, speakers, Seats could have been a little bit better, but like I said, it still looks very, very good. The doors are really nice, and I love the fact that all the buttons of the door are all painted, and just like I said, this easily could have been done by autoart. Also, no doggy hinges on the doors, gotta love that, just as it was on the white one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to capture the most that I can out of the interior, but I couldn't catch that great on the white one review that I made. So on this one, I'm gonna really try to get that flash in there, and we're gonna be able to see exactly what's going on in this whole interiors. Now as we go ahead and get some lighting more into the interior, you guys can see you got the champagne glasses. You also got this TV. One thing about that TV there, it looks like a TV from a limo from the 1990s. So I believe the TV doesn't look as up to date as it would look on these actual excursions. But I know some of the newer ones, the TVs were still kind of like, you know, old school like that, you know. And in conclusion, guys, black one is just as good as the white one. I would say it looks way more meaner. I would recommend either one, but if you had to pick one, I would probably go for the black one instead of the white one, just because it's that traditional limousine color, and that thing that I mentioned where like when you open the hood, it looks more discreet, it blends more in because it's all black, so it doesn't look as toyish. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. And with that one, I'm outie guys. Peace.